Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in Calendly. Alright, so before we get started, all you have to do is open the Calendly website. So I'm just going to open the Calendly website. Alright, so once you are here, all you have to do is log into your account. So I'm already logged into your account. You can log in with Google as well. So I'm just going to click on my account over here. And there you go. Now you will see this dashboard when you open your Calendly website. Alright, so once you are here on the left hand side, you can see the option for create. Now all you have to do is click over here, and here you have three options. What you can do is click on one off meeting. Alright, so once you're here, all you have to do is click on the date that you want the meeting to happen. So first let me select the duration over here. From the left hand side, you can see you can manage the duration. You can even do the custom duration here. So I'm just going to create a 3-hour meeting. Alright, and select Friday. There you go. Now all you have to do is click on next, and this is our event details. So what you can do is change the meeting name as well. Alright, so here you can manage the event details. So here you can see you can do a location, or you have the various options over here: Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and various other applications. So for now I'm just going to do a Google Meet through Calendly, and here you can see the optional settings. So I'm just going to ignore that and just click on share meeting link, and there you go. Now all you have to do is copy this link, and you can even send the email. So what I'm going to do is copy this link, and that's it. All you have to do is share this link over here so that they can join the meeting on the time. So that is how you'll be able to schedule meeting in Calendly. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.